Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make rock sugar for cooking. Dissolve sugar in hot water until saturated, then pour into a clean jar and cool slightly. Suspend a string or skewer so crystals have a surface to grow on, and cover the jar loosely to keep dust out. Keep the jar in a cool, dark spot and resist touching it while crystals slowly form over days to weeks. In this video, I will show how to make rock sugar for cooking. Add seed crystals or crushed sugar to the cooled solution to jumpstart growth, and hang a clean string or skewer for crystals to cling to. Keep the container covered, but ventilated to prevent dust, and place it where temperatures stay steady to avoid dissolving forming crystals. Be patient and check occasionally without disturbing the jar for best results. In this video, I will show how to make rock sugar for cooking. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you cook. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple techniques and product tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make rock sugar for cooking. Once crystals reach the size you want, lift them out carefully and let extra syrup drain back before laying them on a rack to dry. Pat away surface moisture gently, and once fully dry, transfer to an airtight jar to keep them crisp. Use rock sugar to sweeten teas, sauces, or desserts, and enjoy the cleaner, milder sweetness it offers.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.